What's going on, guys? It's your boy Math and Vision back with another banger. Today we'll be covering slope equations or equations of a slope or whatever you want to call it. So let's get started. Alright, slope equations. You guys might have heard, this term called, pull it up here, slope-intercept form. Alright, so what is slope-intercept form? Alright. It's basically this fancy equation of a line, alright? For instance, if you have a line like this or this, then you need an equation for it, right? So the equation is y equals mx plus b. Alright, that's the equation, alright? But let's break this down, alright, so we can understand it a little bit more easy. Alright, we have y equals mx plus b, alright? So what is the y? We know the y and the x are just two variables, right? The y and the x of a graph, right? So what does m and b mean? Alright, m is the slope. Alright, we covered slope in the last video. So m is the slope. Alright, b is the y-intercept. Alright, you might be asking, what is the y-intercept? The y-intercept is where the line hits the y-axis, alright, where line hits the y-axis. Alright, so now that we know this, let's solve some problem. Alright, let's try to find the equation of this graph right here, alright, or of this line, excuse me. Alright, so let's write down the equation. Y equals mx plus b. Alright, remember m is the slope and b is where it hits the y-axis. Alright, so it hits the y-axis right here. So we know the y-intercept is 2. So you can write down y equals mx plus 2. So this is positive 2. Alright, now what we do is find the slope. Alright, so let's find the slope. We start at the y-intercept, rise over run. So we go 1, 2, 3. So he went up 3. Alright, went up 3. Alright, we stopped here. And then the line goes 1, 1 to the right. Alright, it goes 1 to the right. So let's rise over run. So that's 3 over 1 equals 3. If you guys didn't watch my last video on slope where I went over this, I recommend you watching that before getting started on this one. Alright, just a heads up. So now that we found our slope, we have y equals m, which is 3x plus 2. Alright, and that is our equation for this line. Alright, now I want you guys to pause this video and try this one on your own. Give it a shot. Alright, I hope you guys gave that a shot. Now let's go over this. Alright, so we write down the equation y equals mx plus b. Right, it hits the graph at here. It's the y-axis, excuse me, right here at 3. So we have y equals mx plus 3. It's a positive 3, so it's plus 3. Now we need to find the slope. Rise over run. 1, 2. Went up 2. Alright. Now we're going to the left 1. Going to the left means you're going to negatives, right? You're subtracting. If you're reading a number line, for instance, right? Over here is positive 1, over here is negative 1, right? So if you're going left, it's minus 1, right? To here. So we have 2, rise over run, 2 over negative 1, and that equals negative 2. So negative 2 is our slope, or m. So y equals negative 2x plus 3. That is the equation of this line. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave a like, comment, subscribe. More new content is coming soon. See you in the next video. Peace.